before you scroll away. What if I told you that one decision could completely change the rest of your life? Not tomorrow, not next year, because somewhere inside you is a version of yourself that has been waiting, begging to be set free. The question is, will today be the day you finally choose yourself? There comes a moment when you stop asking, why did this happen to me? And start asking, what am I going to become because of it? Maybe someone betrayed you. Maybe someone convinced you that you weren't enough. Maybe you spent years trying to earn love from people who were never willing to give it. You gave your time, your energy, your heart, and somehow you still felt empty.com. Here's the truth. The greatest prison isn't a toxic relationship. It's believing you need someone else's approval to feel worthy. Healing doesn't begin when they apologize. Healing begins when you stop waiting for them. Because every day you spend looking back is another day, stolen from the future, waiting for you. Stay with me, because the next lesson could change the way you see your life forever. Most people believe motivation changes lives. It doesn't. Discipline does. Motivation is a feeling. Discipline is a decision. Motivation says, I'll start when I feel ready. Discipline says, I'll start because my future deserves better. There will be mornings when you don't feel like getting up, days when nobody believes in you, weeks when your progress feels invisible. Keep showing up anyway. Every workout, every healthy decision, every page you read, every boundary you protect, every promise you keep to yourself, it all matters. You're building a stronger version of yourself, even when you can't see the progress yet. Confidence doesn't come before action. Confidence is built when you prove to yourself that you can keep going even when quitting would be easier. But stay with me, because this next truth is the one most people spend their entire lives avoiding. Sometimes the biggest obstacle standing between you and the life you want isn't another person, it's fear. Fear of failing, fear of rejection, fear of starting over, fear that maybe you're not good enough. But ask yourself this. How much of your life has fear already taken from you? And how much more are you willing to give it? Imagine where you could be 1 year from now if you finally started today. Fear may not disappear, but you can become stronger than it. Courage isn't being fearless. Courage is being afraid and taking the next step anyway. And stay with me, because this may be the reminder you've needed for a very long time. Your value has never depended on someone else's opinion of you. Not your family, not your partner, not your boss, not strangers online, and definitely not the people who chose to walk away. Your worth existed before they met you, and it will still exist long after they're gone. Stop shrinking yourself to make other people comfortable. Stop apologizing for taking up space.com. Stop chasing people who only recognize your value when they're losing access to you. Real peace begins when you stop abandoning yourself. Self-worth isn't believing you're better than everyone else. It's knowing that you deserve respect. You deserve peace. You deserve healthy love. And you deserve a life that doesn't require you to destroy yourself just to keep someone else happy. If you've stayed with me this far, these final words are for you. One day, you're going to look back at every sleepless night, every rejection, every heartbreak, every tear you wiped away when nobody was watching, every moment you thought you couldn't continue, and you're going to realize something powerful. Those moments didn't destroy you. They built you. They taught you what you deserve. They showed you how strong you can become. So today, take one step, not 10, not 100, just one. Read one page. Take one walk. Start one healthy habit. Set one boundary. Say no to one thing that keeps hurting you. Say yes to one thing that moves you closer to the person you want to become. Because small decisions repeated every day can create an entirely different life. And remember this. Years from now, people may look at you and call you lucky. They won't see the mornings you had to fight yourself to get up. They won't see the tears, the loneliness, the sacrifices, the moments when quitting would have been easier. But you'll know what it took to become this person. So lift your head, take a deep breath, keep walking, Keep climbing. Keep believing. Your past may explain some of your scars, but it does not get to decide your future. Your story isn't ending here. It's finally beginning. Remember the question I asked you at the beginning. Will today be the day you finally choose yourself? If your answer is yes, take that first step, because the greatest chapter of your life starts the moment you choose yourself.